Typically, a defendant is not present for grand jury proceedings, but it's important to note that in the state of Nevada, the state is required to give notice when they intend to take a case before the grand jury, and they're required to give the defendant the opportunity to present before the grand jury. So, if you request to be notified, at least you'll know that your case is being taken to the grand jury. In most cases, an attorney is probably not going to advise you to appear before the grand jury, because when you go to testify before a grand jury, you're not allowed to take an attorney with you, and you waive your Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination. So it's generally a bad idea to go before a grand jury if you're the target of the grand jury. Notwithstanding the fact that you may not be present for the grand jury proceedings and your counsel would not be present for the proceedings, you have the right to a transcript of the grand jury proceedings after you've been indicted. And you also have the right to challenge the legitimacy of the indictment based upon what transpired before the grand jury. So your attorney can file a writ of habeas corpus to challenge the findings made by the grand jury. And if your writ of habeas corpus is granted, the grand jury indictment would be thrown out and your case dismissed.